I get them trick or treat.
Hi. Happy Halloween. Thank you.
Voila, you gotta let go of my hand. There we go.
Thank you.
Here, let's put it on your arm.
Okay.
Here, you go with me. Treat station. It's good they can learn how to trick or treat. She wants to see a giraffe.
Okay.
She told me this morning.
Give me something.
Oh, that's the
Hi. This is a. I think this is a line.
Good job. Say thank you.
They're coming. Dinosaurs? Yeah.
You'll probably throw it on the ground ahead, just so you're aware.
Got one for Bracken and Bracken. You want to try again? Try again? This is Zuri over here. And you don't want to do it, baby? Some more? Oh! Yeah.
Oh no, you dropped it. I knew that was going to happen. Let's hold on to it. Come on. Okay, well, you gotta hand it to her. She won't be able to do
Let them get it there. You go back up here.
Monkey. Monkey. Oh, treat station. Long. Quite long. treat? Hello.
There you go.
Thank you.
He's so
Say thank you. Thank you. See Papa?
Mine's probably good.
Now.
Yeah.
Baby, you can take my word. You haven't gotta hurt no more. Things about to
I didn't know if you've done that before. I was like, you're gonna have to tell her
make
that.
this real. I wanna make this forever.
If I put it there,
Oh.
she's shot.
Look at this.
Oh my.
Mama, Baba.
You wanna walk?
Let's go. Nice wing. Good weather to walk. Red light. Green light. Hey, you look cool.
Baba.
What are you drawing?
Yo, Baba. Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday card. That's good.
Hey, birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
the Dahmer story. I watched more of it and it got stupid. You watched the Barbarian.
You insist to be my friend, though I'm so busy. And whenever I need your help, I count to 5, 3, 4, 5. See your face.
You're welcome.
You're the only fox in town who knows how to laugh and love. And I think that you're so special.
Don't come on.
It's not obvious that you're around. So if you think that I forgot it's your birthday, let me fix your mind.
Beautiful.
Now I can bring you the moon, but I
Hey, we are gonna go this way. Honey, let's ring a bell. Honey, say trick or treat. Come on. Let's Come on. Are you gonna ring a bell? Who's gonna ring a bell? Ding dong.
Lower button, Freya. Lower button. Hi there. What do we got here? Is it Bingo and Bluey? What do you guys say? Freya, you already rang it. Hey,
What do you say?
What do you say?
Can you say trick or
You say
treat?
trick or treat? Trick or treat. Hey, open your bag. Look what we got. Oh, open your bag. Let's put it in your bag. You can't eat till. Open it up like that. Ready? Boom. Oh. Yeah.
Let's go. And thank you. And you say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you too.
Bye bye.
You That is not what you get to take. Look up here. You can take a piece of candy. Which one do you want?
Just take one.
Oh, maybe you better take one that's a little better for you at your size. That's a little hard for you.
Maybe
Yeah, that one's a good one for you.
that's a big.
That's hard for you, Lala.
How about this? Yeah. How about that?
Maybe you're a peanut M&M girl. There you go. Okay.
Say thank you.
You say thank you? Don't worry, ghosts won't get you. Come on. Let's go.
Come on.
You want to hold my hand, Bingo? Oh, you're gonna catch it.
Maybe here.
Oh, yeah, right there. Pick one. All right, you're gonna try and see if you like coconut. Lala, take your pick.
Oh.
Snickers is a good choice.
Good job.
You got it. Good job.
I know.
This
Come
way.
on.
Follow Mama. How you doing, Bingo?
Only 2, honey, okay?
Okay, Lala, you can get 2.
1, 2. You got 2.
That's 2, Freya.
Good job.
Good job.
1.
That's 1 for.
Look at Bluey going.
You hold my hand, Bingo. Good job, Bluey.
Bluey. Hey, Bluey. You gonna say?
Remember, you gotta say
Trick or treat.
trick or treat.
You're not
Freya,
touching
we're
it,
gonna leave
okay?
that alone.
Trick or
Can
treat.
you guys try trick or treat?
So cute.
Thank you.
Oh, go for the Snickers. Go for the big
Smart
ones.
choice.
Yeah, because I'm walking out. So.
It'll take them a week to eat that,
Right.
but they'll be happy.
Fun. You look so
Did
cute.
you guys say thank you?
Awesome. Aw.
Lala, thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Thank
Have
you.
fun tonight.
Thank
You
you.
look so cute.
Thank you.
welcome.
Bye.
Happy Halloween. Come on, let's get your wagon.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
Hi.
I see these two little cuties. You're walking them down. You didn't bring your little buddy with you though.
We
Yeah.
thought better of it. She's a little hard to control.
Hey girls, there you go.
Just one little girls.
Oh, I would say 2, but I don't want to argue.
No, we're just trying to keep it under control for the most part.
That's good. You go ahead. You
Okay, Fred, that's good.
Hello.
I should take your picture.
You can if you want.
Can you wait for Cece? Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2. Where's the doorbell? It's too far. Mommy will help you. Okay. Hey, 1 is enough.
Keep her out front.
Come on. Say trick or treat.
You guys say trick or treat?
Trick or
You
treat.
look so cute. I see you walking all the time with your mama.
You say trick or treat?
Are you going to eat this candy?
You guys are really loading up on coconut.
Yeah. Well, do you want to take? Why don't you take a different kind?
Well, they're okay. They don't know.
They don't. I know.
Yeah.
They don't like the coconut well, then.
Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Be careful going down our porch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Bingo. I got you. Let's go
Come
to the
on.
store. Poppy will come with us.
Hi. We're the puppy too.
Oh, you're fine. They're used to living around dogs.
You guys know Riley, don't
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Love.
Hi there. How are you? Boy, you girls would like some pretty necklaces. But Joe, get me two more necklaces over there.
Girls, can you
Let's see.
say
Here,
trick?
what's your favorite color?
They're frozen.
Oh, look at this one. Here's a purple necklace in
Look at
here.
that, Freya.
Okay, I should
That's
do
yours.
it probably a different color, shouldn't I? So,
Well, my Nari here always tells me if they have the same color, they won't fight. But it's in reality, I think
have
they
two
just.
purples.
That's probably the best. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
then
Oh,
here, you want
my.
to pick another color? You want to pick another one?
Which one do you want? You pick one.
Thank you.
That'll look pretty with your purple.
You want to put it on?
Say trick or treat. Hello, puppy.
It's so cute.
So,
Thank you.
this one too.
Hi.
And you get this one. And you get this one.
Oh my.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Happy
Oh,
Halloween.
he's so cute.
Freya, do you know what you're doing?
Hubby.
It's not your door. You
Hey,
can't just open.
can you?
Press the
Ding dong.
button.
Ding dong. Oh,
You did.
hello.
They don't
Trick
talk
or
much.
treat.
Freya, pick one. Good job.
Thank
You
you.
say thank you?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye-bye.
Put it in your bag.
Let's go.
Been so long alone, I kept losing hope, but I can't let it go. I wondered if it's true. Never thought that I would find you. Then suddenly I knew. Hello, love. It's so nice to meet you. I've been lost without you. Where do we begin? It feels like waking up from a lonely night of shadows. The morning light I'll follow. So where do we begin? Days somehow turn to weeks. Never want this love to leave. So let's just let it be. And hold
Hey, good job.
1, 2, 3.
we are together.
Yay!
Storm will weather as long as we
Blower. Now do it. Yay! Good job. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Good job. Jump, honey. Jump. Jump. Wow. Good job.